and things like vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and how three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep, solid scientific understanding of how things work. Because when you look at art, when you look at three-dimensional images on a two-dimensional canvas, it's really an optical illusion. And this optical illusion is a byproduct of different forms of shades, different forms of light. You might put shades on an object and it might ground the object. You might put light on an object and it makes the object pop, right? You might put a diagonal line on a page and then all of a sudden that image looks three-dimensional. So when you study art and drawing, you begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, if you're